Last period we had seen meaning of suspense account, then the rectification of errors by opening suspense account. If it is undercast or overcast, not posted to one account, then wrong side posting. In that case, we have to open suspense account. Okay, so now we will do the remaining problem related to suspense account. Okay, so next one, 12th one, 12th. So 12th one, credit sales to Mohan were posted to Karan. Credit sales to Mohan were posted to Karan. So instead of Mohan, they posted to Karan, different amount only. So here you have to look that credit sales to Mohan posted to Karan. So what we did, so here Mohan is debit. Instead of Mohan, we wrote Karan. Instead of that, we wrote Karan. Karan account debtor. Okay. Credit sales to Mohan, rupees 7,000 were posted to Karan. So to rectify, what we'll do? It is a wrong. So to rectify Karan, correct debit is what, Anila? Yes. So Mohan account debtor. Correct is Mohan 7,000. So instead of Mohan, we wrote Karan. So to Karan. To Karan. So one thing you have to remember, amount it is nothing. Amount it is given 5,000. Amount it is given 5,000. So undercast. Undercast. So remaining is what? To suspense account. To suspense account. 7,000 minus 5,000. 2,000. Mohan account added to Karan to suspense account. Being credit sales to Mohan. Being credit sale to Mohan were posted to Karan. Were posted to Karan. Now rectified. Okay, because 7,000 we have to write to Karan, we wrote only 5,000. Remaining is suspense. Suspense. Otherwise, if it is same, means no need to open suspense. Mohan account to Karan account. Mohan account to Karan account. Next, credit purchase from Rohan. Credit purchase from Rohan were posted to the debit of Govind. Credit purchase from Rohan. Credit purchase from Rohan were posted to the debit of Govind. So one thing you have to remember, here Rohan is credit. Is it correct? Wrong only they did. Wrong, they debited in the Gobind account. Note, they debited in the Gobind. Debit of Gobind. Okay, correct. What is credit? Correct, Rohan is credit. Correct, Rohan is credit. So instead of that, what they did? They debited of Gobind. So for correcting the Gobind, what we have to do? Femina, credit or debit? Gobind. They debited to Gobind.
Gobind.
Credit or debit? Gobind. For
Debit.
credit,
Sir, debit.
Rohan posted to the debit of Gobind. Debit of Gobind. So for correcting this Gobind, what we'll do? We debited. For correcting,
Credit.
to Gobind. Only this is the problem. Remaining no problem. Only we are telling that only. So suspense account. Suspense account. Amount will be, it is given debit of Gobind 10,000. Correct Rohan 9,000. 19,000. Because wrong side. So amount will be more, double. Being credit purchase from Rohan were posted to the debit of Gobind, now rectified. Okay, first credit sales to Mohan posted to Karan. So we know that Mohan is debit. So instead of Mohan, they debited Karan. Correcting current credit 5,000. So Mohan is 7,000. So difference is 2,000. Suspense. Next, credit purchase from Rohan debited to Gobind. It is wrong. Gobind is wrong. Rohan is what we have to do? To credit. That is suspense account. Okay. Only account is the problem. Next one, goods returned to Rakesh. Goods returned to Rakesh were posted to the credit of Naresh account. Credit of Naresh account. So it is purchase return. So goods returned to Rakesh. We know that goods returned to Rakesh. Goods returned to Rakesh. Atul. Rakesh is debit or credit? Goods returned to Rakesh.
Sir, debit.
Yes, Rakesh is debit. What they did? So they posted to the credit of Naresh. They posted to the credit of Naresh. Credit of Naresh. It is a wrong. So to rectify, what we have to do? Naresh.
Sir, Naresh debit.
Yes, Naresh account debtor. So correct debit we know. Goods returned to Rakesh. Rakesh account debtor to suspense account. To suspense account. Okay, correct debit is Rakesh. Amount it is given. Goods returned to Rakesh. 4,000 it is given. Were posted to the credit of Naresh 3,000. Because wrong side 7,000. Being purchase return to Rakesh were posted to The credit of Naresh. Credit of Naresh now rectified. Now rectified. Now rectified. Next. Goods returned from Mahesh, it is sales return, were posted to the debit of Manish. It is sales return. So we know that Mahesh is debit or credit, and sales return, goods returned from Mahesh.
Credit.
Yes, Mahesh is credit. So what they did, were posted to the debit of Manish. Debit of Manish. Debit of Manish. So to correct, what we have to do, Manish? Credit we have to do. To Manish account, correct credit is what? To Mahesh. Suspense account. Suspense account. Okay, so Manish, how much they wrote? Manish 2000. So on the basis of the question, you have to write the amount. Mahesh 1000. Being sales return from Mahesh were posted to the debit of Manish. Any doubt, Aditya?
No, sir.
Okay. So next, cash sales were posted to commission. Cash sales were posted to commission. 2000 were posted to commission, 200. So cash sales, we know that sale is credit. So instead of sale, they wrote commission. They wrote commission 200. Okay, so we know that correct credit is sale. Correct credit is sale. So how we will rectify? Aparna, cash sales rupees 2000 posted to commission rupees 200. So entry will be
Sir, commission account debtor.
okay. Commission account debtor amount 2. Commission account debtor to sales account, that is 2000. Okay, commission account to sales. So credit is more, so difference under cost, suspense account. Okay, here not wrong side, head wrong only. So commission account debtor to sales. So 2000, there are 200 less only under cost. So suspense account. being cash sale posted to commission. Now rectified. Okay, first Mohan account to Karan. Mohan 7,000 only. Karan we wrote 5,000. So different suspense. Next, credit purchase from Rohan, debited of Govind. So Govind credit, correct credit is to Rohan. The person instead of Rohan, Govind, but wrong side. That's why double amount. Next, purchase return to Ragesh, posted to the credit of Naresh. Credit of Naresh. So for correcting Naresh debit. So in that correct debit is Ragesh. Next, sales return from Mahesh were posted to the debit of Manish. So debit of Manish. So for correcting credit Manish. So correct credit is Mahesh. Suspense. Okay. Then now we will prepare suspense account. Suspense account. DR CR. Suspense account. Okay. So first, look the journal entry. Atul, in the first journal entry, suspense account, which side I have tried?
Sir, debit side.
You look that this is the entry. Mohan account to Karan to suspense. So suspense is debit or credit in that entry.
Credit side, credit side.
Yes, credit side you have tried opposite aspect, debit. So by Mohan 7,000. Okay, opposite aspect you are right. If it is credit, debit aspect you are right. If it is debit, credit aspect you are right. By Mohan amount not 7,000, 2,000. Amount suspense amount only. Amount suspense amount. Amount suspense amount. Suspense amount. Next, Femina, next one. Suspense is debit or credit?
Sir, debit.
So debit, only one debit. For that, two credit is there. You have to write two credit. To Rohan, to Gobind. To Rohan, to Gobind. Okay, for only one debit, for that two credit is there, that you have to write. Next, third entry. Karthik, third one.
Sir, by Naresh account and by Rakesh account.
Good. By Naresh account. By Naresh account. By Ragesh account. By Naresh account. By Ragesh account. By Naresh account. By Rakesh account. Next, Tomlin, next one. Tomlin,
Sir, sir, to my niche account.
to Manish account, to Mahesh account. To Manish, to Mahesh account. Next, Anjo, next one. Last.
To sales.
To sales amount,
1,800.
only once. To sales 1,800. Difference amounts.
14,800.
Anila,
14,800.
yes, 14,800. Irfan, any doubts? Sharath,
Yes, sir.
where any doubt?
No, sir.
Pavitra, okay, now next question. 13th one. So you look at that, already we did the two in the two-sided error. Credit sales to Mohan, rupees 7,000 were recorded in purchase book. Already we did in the two-sided error, but it is one-sided error. Why? You look at that remaining sentence. However, Mohan's account was correctly debited. Correctly debited. That is correct. Okay? Only one side problem. Credit sales recorded. Normally, what already I said, first you have to write the, so if it is there, first you have to write the, which one? Correct entry. I said Mohan account at 2, no need right now. Mohan account at 2 sales. Okay, then I said record in the purchase. Record in the purchase. So purchase is debit. they record in the purchase to correct to purchase account. That you know already. So first you have to write the correct, then what is the error? That you have to opposite you have to do. Mohan account to sales to purchase. Suppose next credit purchase from Rohan record through sales book. Credit purchase from Rohan, correct entry. Purchase account at to Rohan. Purchase account at to Rohan. So recorded in the sales. Sales we know that credit. They record in the sales. They record in the sales. For correcting, that we studied under two-sided error. Here what is the problem? However, Mohan's account was correctly debited. So if it is this type, it is correctly debited. So no need of this one. Instead of that, suspense. Second, Rohan's account was correctly credited. Correct only. There you have to put suspense. Okay. So first one correctly debited. So you no need of that one. Correctly debited. No. There you have to put suspense. Only one side error. You have to open suspense. Wherever is correct, there you have to put suspense. If you purchase, sales, purchase, purchase return, sales return, purchase return. So in that case, correct that account, you have to do that suspense account. Clear? Atul?
Sir.
Okay. So we'll start. So first one, credit sales to Mohan were recorded in the purchase book. Credit sales to Mohan were recorded in the purchase book. We know that entry will be Mohan accounted to Mohan correctly debited only. So there we have to put suspense. Suspense account debtor correct is to sales. We recorded in the purchase. We know that purchase is debit. They record the purchase to correct purchase credit. It is the wrong side only. Which one? So double effect. 7,000, 7,000, 14,000. Being credit sales to Mohan. Credit sales to Mohan were recorded in purchase book. Credit sales to Mohan were recorded in purchase book. Now rectified. But however, you have to add, however, Mohan's account is correctly debited. Account is correctly debited. Next one, credit purchase from Rohan. Credit purchase from Rohan were recorded in the sales book. However, Rohan's account was correctly credited. So, credit will be suspense, correctly credited. So, credit purchase from Rohan. So, corrected purchase is debit. So, instead of purchase, they wrote in the sales. It is wrong. So, to correct, sales account debtor. 9,000, 9,000, 18,000. Being credit credit purchase from credit purchase recorded in the sales book. However, Rohan account is correctly credited. Now rectified. So next one, Aparna. Goods returned to Ragesh were recorded in sales return book. However, Ragesh account was correctly debited.
Sir, suspense account debt to purchase return, to sales return.
Very good. Suspense account to purchase return to sales return being purchase return recorded in the sales return book. However, a Ragesh account is correctly debited. Okay, so next period we will continue the same. Thank you.